have undertaken, Your Honor, relative to the boundary dispute between Tubao and Tuba Benguet. I respectfully report to this august body that per verification, there is actually no boundary dispute between the municipality of Tubao and municipality of Tuba Benguet. The meeting focused on the delineation of the boundaries of municipality of Tuba and municipality of Tubao respectively. Though there is ongoing dispute between Tuba Benguet and Pugu with respect to the barangay of Palina, which is being claimed substantially by municipality of Tuba. But we undertake to invite the government officials of the municipality of Pugu so that we could discuss matters on how could we enter into an agreement which is not prejudicial to the municipality of Pugu, which is part of La Union territory. Your Honor, with respect to the privileged speech of Honorable Roberto Rillera regarding Provincial Ordinance 006 and Provincial Ordinance 230 regarding the HAMP and the anti-obstruction, the HAMP under the law is primarily intended to slow down or decelerate past vehicles in order to prevent vehicular accident or any risk to human life and limb. While the anti-obstruction ordinance prevents, prohibits, or penalizes the obstruction, blocking, or any form of impediment to any passage, may it be passage of human individuals or passage of vehicles, including passage in water. So I respectfully propose that we will have a codification of the two ordinances, which are not necessarily contradictory to each other but complementary, because in codification we merge two or more ordinances which are similar but not the same and which have complementary functions. My main concern, Your Honor, is in consonance with the proposal of Honorable Eliza Christine Sibuma about the welfare of fishermen, because according to her, if we have ordinance for the welfare of farmers, specifically that livelihood, equipment, and agricultural assistance program, especially for farmers, we shall have a similar ordinance also to promote the welfare of fishermen in the province of La Union. The province of La Union is basically agricultural, since almost 60% of our land are devoted to farming. But there are also numerous barangays in the 13 out of the 20 localities of the province of La Union, specifically in Rosario, Santo Tomas, Agoo, Aringay, Caba, Bawang, San Fernando, San Juan, Bacnotan, Bangar, Luna, and even Sudipan, thereby making fishing as the major livelihood or economic activity of our constituents therein, especially the poor individuals. I notice, however, since I was born in the coastal area of Barangay Catbangan and I grew up in the coastal area of Barangay Ilocanso, which is a coastal barangay, that these fishermen, especially marginal fishermen, have been encountering serious difficulties. Fishermen have fish catch sometimes in great quantity. They have fish catch sometimes in small quantity. And sometimes their fish catch is very scarce or almost none, thereby compelling them to resort to borrowing, because every day they buy gasoline for the operation of their motorized bangka. and they need additional capital for the purchase of fish nets, which are usually worn out after year, including damage to their old engines. And considerable number of fishermen do not also own the motorized bangka they operate, but they merely receive a due share from the owners of those motorized bangka, while others merely engage in fishing through the use of fish rods and fish hooks. So I propose, Your Honor, that we pass an ordinance extending loan assistance to these marginal fishermen for their daily purchase of gasoline, for the repair of their old engine, or for the repair of their old bangka, and for those fishermen who do not own a motorized bangka, or the bangka they operate is not motorized, for the provincial government of La Union to extend equipment assistance to them. And for their wives, we can provide to them livelihood training on fish processing, specifically tinapa making, bagoong making, sardines making, and other related fish processing activities. So I propose, Your Honor, for approval in today's first reading, the passage of an ordinance for livelihood loan equipment assistance to fishermen and fisher folks. Thank you very much, Your Honor, and God bless everyone.